We've worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking with you.